Hey everybody, welcome to Shopping with Shana. Somebody said glitch deal this morning, so I'm walking up to Kroger to see if it works. Let's go check it out. So as I'm walking up to Kroger, I have to show you my box top shirt. Yes, so this is a box top product, so I threw it on to kind of give this deal a little bit more luck. Let's go see if it works. Hey, have you guys seen this? $2.99 each on your Halloween snack size bars. All right, big shout out and thank you to both T-Storm, Corey, and then it just said user, so I'm not positive who that was that had the initial comment about this glitch deal, but please give me your actual name so I can give you credit. So these treat bars are on mega sale, which you can tell they haven't put up the new mega sale. They would be red with the buy 3 or more. So these are old tags. So they're normally priced $3.99. They're on mega sale for $1.99, and they're glitching for buy one, get one. So we're gonna grab 6 of them and see if we can do this deal. We have an Ibotta rebate, Fetch rebates, and Kroger cashback. So many things happening. We've got to do this deal. So my store only had one of the Lucky Charms, 2 of the Golden Grams, and then we had plenty of the other ones. So I'm gonna try this, grab 6 of them. It should be buy one, get one. They should all be mega sale. They should bring up for $1.99 the other 3. And then with all the other things coming back, hopefully we get a freebie moneymaker. Let's check it out. All right, guys, it did work. I grabbed 6 bars. The way it worked is, goodness, I don't even know, but it came out correctly. I also had a 40-cent off coupon. I had $1 off too. I thought that was going to come off, but it didn't, but the 40 cents did. So I don't know, maybe I already used the $1 off too. But we're going to submit to Ibotta and see what we get here. So let me give you the full breakdown here so you can see exactly what's going on. What you want to do is grab 6 of the General Mills treat bars. They're regularly priced $3.99. They're on mega sale for $1.99, and they're on sale for buy one, get one. You'll notice over here on the lower right-hand corner, we have 2 different weekly ad things that says buy one, get one free, and save 6 when you buy 3 or more. You want to look for that. If you're on your app, then look for this. You're going to look at the bottom there between the coupons and everything. You want to see both of them there. Scan in store to make sure it's still available. Make sure that you refresh it so that way it doesn't just disappear and you get up there and you are shocked by it. So it's on mega sale, like I said, $1.99, buy one, get one. Now, the receipt looks kind of funny that I showed you, but the math did work out. Now, my $1 off 2 digital coupon did not come off. Now, I was using my account, but I looked at my dad's account, so I thought I had it. Maybe I didn't. I already used it. But a 40-cent off one did come off, and I have that on both accounts as well. So check and see what you possibly have. So your out-of-pocket could be as low as $4.97 if you use the $1 off 2. It would be $5.50 or $5.47 if you have the 40, or $57 if you have the 40-cent off 1 digital coupon. Then you're going to submit to Ibotta. You're going to get $2.50 back because we have 50 cents back on 1, limit of 5 times. And then also Fetch has a couple of threshold coupons. We have the 800 points back when you spend 15 on these kind of General Mills products, specifically the cereal treats, soft baked bars, or the Chex Mix bars. And then you have the 2,500 points when you spend $50. And that, of course, is anything in the General Mills products. The final cost would be $2.47 total, or basically just 41 cents per box, which is absolutely amazing. Really great deal here. Unfortunately, I thought we might have had a Catalina generate, but that Catalina did expire on September 1st. So that is no longer a possibility, which that would have given us a freebie and moneymaker, but instead it's still an amazing deal. Now, don't forget, these are box top products. You want to make sure that you are scanning your receipts into the Box Top app and you are making extra money for your school. Currently, we have a lot going on in the Box Top app. We have a September challenge. The school that gets the most people to complete the September challenge, or I should say the 50 top schools that get the most to complete the September challenge, is getting a $250 bonus at the end of the month. So this is a really, really great opportunity. Help your schools out by doing this. There are other small bonuses. If you watch my video from today with all of the extra deals, I have a couple of them in there for you with the mega sale and whatever it might be as far as that goes. And then, of course, if you have not signed up for the Box Top app, do that today using my referral code. When you use my referral code, your school gets 25 bonus Box Tops, and my school gets 25 bonus Box Tops. So that's an extra $2.50 per school. So highly recommend that you do that. And then make sure you're scanning your receipts, set up your Walmart account so that way it's automatically submitting for you. It's a really, really win-win situation. You get to donate to school and you get to save amazing money when you are watching me. So I will let you know of all the Box Tops deals that I can, since I am the coordinator for my daughter's school. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a great big thumbs up. If you scored, let me know in the comments below. Follow me on Facebook and post a picture of your haul if you happen to get one. Would love to see everybody's haul on there, so make sure that you do that. If you are not a part of the Facebook group, I have it linked in the description box below, or I think you can click a link through my YouTube channel. Just look for that. Have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your Wednesday, and I'll be back with you with more deals. Who knows? Maybe I'll find another glitch deal in the process. All right, see you guys. Bye. Just a quick reminder that glitch deals can end at any point in time. So you want to make sure that you are prepared to pay full price for it, or just tell them to take it back if it doesn't work at checkout. So don't be mad at Kroger. Don't go yell at customer service. If a cashier would fix it for you, that's wonderful. If not, just say, see ya, thanks for the deals that I do get, and head on out the door.